Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dorcas Oforiwa Asari, aka Jackie Chan, aka Jetili. Welcome to Time with Joy. That's the name of this channel. For those who are already subscribers to this channel, I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Welcome back. For first timers, if this is the first time you've ever been to Time with Joy, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss anything. I film lifestyle video right from Ghana. So please stay till the end and I'll show you what I got for today. Okay guys, today's video is going to be about hair. Yes, how to have a different style of hair when you've worn your wig up for some time, or when you have your hair in cornrow or in braids. You can style it when you take it off. So I'm going to take this off and show you some styles that I can do. This is a cap, it goes off now. Yeah. Okay, so my hair is in a cornrow. I have long hair and very dense hair, so I intentionally make my hairdresser braid the back like this so that it doesn't become too bulky at the back when I wear my wig cap. Guys, I've got my apparatus here to braid. Before I forget, I have dense hair, so it's quite hard to get pomade in my scalp when my hair is on. So I put pomade in before I unbraid. Let me do that. Guys, this is the brand of pomade I use. It's called Alomed. I retail some. I'm a retailer, so if you want some, you can leave a comment and ask how you can get yours, and I got you sorted. It's free delivery nationwide. That's if you're in Ghana. If you're in Ghana, free delivery for you.
Much later. A few moments later.
So for the first style that I want to do, I want to leave the front, so I braid to a point, and then I leave it like that.
2,000 years later.
So far so good. So this is the outcome so far. See the curly waves that the roll gives to your hair. Yes, so you can, this is style number one. You can leave it this way, or I think this is the hairstyle I'll be sending to church this evening. So yeah, I'm good to go for today. Guys, I'll continue with the other styles in my next video, next hair video. So stay tuned. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share, and leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any questions to ask, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to get Alomed, I'm a retailer. I can get you some free delivery nationwide. It's shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, and then pomade. It comes in a whole pack. So do well to contact me. Those are the products that I've used. I've used them and I trust them. That's why I retail them. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. Thank you so much. Team Joy, I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting us. We love you. Bye. watching and do well to subscribe. Oh, this fun. Let me take it off. Say hi. Hi everyone. Please subscribe to Chime with Joy. Thank you. Please follow me on my Guysssss on Instagram.